Welcome back to the channel Trend Cars, where we bring you the most exciting updates from the automotive world with a special focus on futuristic machines and innovations that are pushing boundaries. If you love cars that make your jaw drop and vehicles that challenge what's possible, you're in the right place. Today we are diving into something that sounds almost unreal, a concept that feels like science fiction but is stirring real excitement. We're talking about the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a vehicle that blends the raw power and elegance of one of the world's most famous supercar brands with the luxury and adventure of a motorhome lifestyle. Imagine Lamborghini taking its DNA of speed, style, and extravagance, and merging it with the freedom of travel on wheels. That's exactly the story here. Now let's picture it together. Lamborghini has always been about drama, the kind of presence that stops you in your tracks, whether it's the angular lines of the Aventador or the futuristic look of the Revuelto. But what happens when that same design language is stretched into a massive motorhome? The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome looks like nothing you've ever seen before on a highway. It's not a boxy RV, it's a sharp, sleek, aerodynamic monster that looks more like a spacecraft than a rolling home. With aggressive LED lighting, scissor door-inspired entry points, and that signature Lamborghini stance, this motorhome doesn't blend into the background, it dominates every road it touches. Underneath the sculpted body lies a performance heart that stays true to Lamborghini's reputation. Reports suggest that the motorhome could be powered by a hybrid V12 system inspired by the Revuelto, delivering staggering horsepower figures that you'd expect in a hypercar, not a house on wheels. Imagine pressing the accelerator in your motorhome and feeling the kind of thrust usually reserved for exotic sports cars. Lamborghini isn't just building a vehicle to take you places, they're making sure you get there with adrenaline pumping in your veins. And while most motorhomes are slow-moving giants, this one is rumored to deliver sports car levels of acceleration and a top speed that would leave traditional RVs miles behind. Step inside and the story only gets crazier. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome isn't about cramped cabins or practical layouts, it's about creating a rolling palace. The interior is expected to feature the same hexagonal design elements, fighter jet-inspired switchgear, and premium Alcantara and carbon fiber materials that Lamborghini fans know so well. But this time, instead of just two seats and a cockpit, there's a full living space designed like a luxury penthouse. Imagine reclining leather seating that folds into beds, a futuristic kitchen space with Lamborghini-style finishes, and a lounge area that feels more like an Italian luxury apartment than a road machine. Every inch is designed with drama, from LED ambient lighting that shifts with driving modes, to panoramic roof panels that give you a view of the stars while parked in the wilderness. Technology is, of course, another highlight. Lamborghini is rumored to integrate advanced AI-driven driving assistance, autonomous parking, and next-level infotainment into the motorhome. Think about smart glass windows that tint automatically, a massive holographic display replacing the traditional TV, and connectivity that allows the motorhome to sync seamlessly with your other Lamborghini vehicles. The idea is to give owners not just a vehicle, but a traveling digital hub that keeps them connected and entertained on the move. With 5G connectivity, advanced satellite navigation, and even drone integration for aerial exploration, this motorhome pushes the boundaries of what we expect from luxury travel. One of the most fascinating aspects of this vehicle is how it blends speed with sustainability. Lamborghini, like the rest of the industry, has been moving toward hybrid and electric technology. So it's expected that the motorhome will feature a plug-in hybrid system with regenerative energy capabilities. Imagine solar panels seamlessly built into the roof, not only to power auxiliary systems but also to extend your travel range when parked. Combine that with energy-efficient climate control and Lamborghini's pursuit of lightweight composite materials, and you have a motorhome that's both extravagant and eco-conscious. Let's talk about exclusivity, because if there's one thing Lamborghini is known for, it's making vehicles that are rare and highly desirable. The 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome won't be mass-produced. It's expected to be a limited-run masterpiece, available only to a select group of ultra-wealthy buyers. We're talking celebrities, business tycoons, and car collectors who want something nobody else on the planet has. The price tag, while nothing is official yet, estimates place it well into the millions, possibly making it the most expensive motorhome ever produced. But for those who can afford it, this isn't just a vehicle, it's a status symbol, a declaration of individuality on wheels. The design details deserve a closer look too. Lamborghini has hinted that the motorhome could use active aerodynamics, with flaps and diffusers that adjust at speed, something unheard of in the RV world. Even the wheels are expected to be massive, sporting the signature Lamborghini Y pattern rims, and wrapped in performance tires capable of handling both highways and light off-road terrain. The suspension system might be derived from Lamborghini's racing division, meaning owners get comfort during long journeys but also precision handling when they want to push the limits. It's the kind of engineering that takes a traditionally slow and bulky vehicle type and reinvents it as a high-performance icon. Now imagine pulling up to a motorsport event, a luxury resort, or even a remote mountain retreat in this machine. It's not just transportation, it's a showstopper. The Lamborghini Motorhome is designed to create moments, to make an entrance like no other. Parked next to standard RVs, it would look like an alien ship has landed. And for Lamborghini fans, this is more than just another product, it's a statement that their favorite brand isn't afraid to dream bigger than ever before. Of course, there are skeptics. Some might argue that Lamborghini should stick to supercars, that a motorhome isn't in line with their identity. But Lamborghini has always thrived on shock value. From building an SUV like the Urus to experimenting with hybrid hypercars, they've never been afraid to disrupt expectations. The 2026 motorhome could be their boldest move yet, proving that even the most unexpected ideas can be transformed into rolling works of art when you have Italian passion and engineering genius behind them. So what does this mean for the future of luxury travel? If Lamborghini succeeds, we might see other exotic brands follow suit. Imagine a Ferrari camper, a McLaren expedition vehicle, or even a Bugatti touring coach. The automotive world is changing, and luxury adventure vehicles are becoming the next frontier. Lamborghini might just be the first to take the leap, rewriting the rulebook on what a motorhome can be. In the end, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is more than just a concept, it's a vision of blending speed, luxury, and freedom in a way nobody has dared before. Whether it becomes a production reality or remains a rare collector's item, it has already captured the imagination of enthusiasts worldwide. It's bold, it's extravagant, and it's pure Lamborghini. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. What do you think? Is this the ultimate dream machine, or is Lamborghini going too far from its roots? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Trend Cars for more incredible updates from the future of the automotive world. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.